हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। तो आज के हम इस वीडियो में करने वाले हैं क्लास 8th एसएस का असाइनमेंट पार्ट 6 में हम लोग आपको सॉल्यूशन दे रहे हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन 1 और 2 सेंटेंसेस। चैप्टर नंबर 5 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच वेर दी वर्ल्ड फेमस यूनिवर्सिटीज ऑफ एंशियंट इंडिया। आंसर है दी वर्ल्ड फेमस यूनिवर्सिटीज लाइक तक्षशिला, नालंदा, वल्लभी, विक्रमशिला आर दी फेमस यूनिवर्सिटीज इन एंशियंट इंडिया। Question number 2, which law was suggested by Gopal Krishna Gokhale to the British government? Answer है in 1912 AD Gopal Krishna Gokhale suggested to enact a law on compulsory primary education, but the government rejected it. Question number 3, according to Rabindranath Tagore, how should education be? Answer है according to Rabindranath Tagore, education should be able to develop the child creativity. He believed that the child should be free from the rigorous discipline of the education. Question number 4, what did Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar do for his scheduled caste? Answer है Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar fought all his life for the social, political, educational right for the scheduled caste. Chapter number 6 का question number 1, which announcement did Bal Gangadhar Tilak make? Answer है Bal Gangadhar Tilak announced Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Question number 2, when and where was India's first three-color flag was hoisted? Answer है India's first three-color flag was hoisted at the second International Socialist Conference held in Stuttgart, Germany in 1907 AD. Question number 3, from where and when did Gandhiji return to India? Answer है Gandhiji returned to India from South Africa in 1915 AD. Question number 4, why did Indians oppose the Revolt Act? The people opposed the Revolt Act as it took away their fundamental rights to freedom and speech. Chapter number 7 का question number 1, what is the medium of human expression and why? तो art is the medium of human expression because art reflects humans' mind and society. Question number 2, where and when was Ravi Verma born? Answer है Raja Ravi Verma was born in 1848 AD in the Kilimanjaro village of Kerala in a royal family. Question number 3, what had the great poet Rabindranath Tagore made Shanti Niketan a confluence of? The answer है Rabindranath Tagore made Shanti Niketan a confluence of literature, music, dance, painting, etc. Question number 4, which organization was established by Abhayanindranath Tagore to promote painting? Answer है Abhayanindranath Tagore established Bengal School Art to promote painting. Chapter number 8 का question number 1, what was the biggest challenge for India when the country became independent? Answer है when India became independent there were 562 small and large independent states in India. Merging these states into the Union of India was the biggest challenge for India. Question number 2, who established the Arji Hukumat by? Answer is the Nawab of Junagadh signed a treaty to join Pakistan. Citizen of Junagadh living in Mumbai formed the Arji Hukumat to join the Indian Union. Question number 3, when and why did the government form the Planning Commission? Answer है the Government of India formed the Planning Commission in 1950 AD to meet the goal and the ideals of the Constitution. Question number 4, in which universities in India booming today? Answer, in terms of industries, the country is booming in the field of electronics, energy, petroleum, telecommunications, steel, fertilizer, cement, petrochemicals, etc. Chapter number 12 का question number 1, which are agro based industry? Cotton textile, jute textile, silk textile, woolen textile, sugar, edible oil, food, ये सब जो है वो agro based industries है. Question number 2, which are the major industry in the world? So the major industry in the world are iron steel industry, cotton textile industry, electronic industry and information technology industry. Question number 3, from where are the natural fibers obtained? The natural fibers are obtained from wool, silk, cotton, linen and jute. Question number 4, which are the pivotal places of information technology industry? So the Silicon Valley of Central California and Bangalore city of India are the pivotal places of information technology industry. Chapter number 13 का question number 1, which areas are densely populated of the world? Answer, the highest population density of the world is in South Central Asia, Southeast Asia and South Central Asia. Question number 2, विच रिवर प्लेन्स आर द एरियाज ऑफ डेंस पॉपुलेशन? आंसर है द प्लेन्स ऑफ गंगा, यमुना, ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर ऑफ इंडिया, चाइना एंड नील रिवर ऑफ इजिप्ट आर द फर्टाइल प्लेन्स विच आर डेंस पॉपुलेशन. Question number 3. What is the percentage of young population of the total population in India, land and Gujarat? Answer is the percentage of young population is 19.4% of the total population of India, 19.45% of the total population of Gujarat. Question number 4. Write names of 5 states having the lowest population density in India. Answer है अरुणाचल प्रदेश, मिजोरम, सिक्किम, नागालैंड एंड लास्ट वन इज मणिपुरा. चैप्टर नंबर 14 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. What is natural disaster? Answer, the disaster that is caused by the natural forces or circumstance is called natural disaster. Which natural disaster are predictable? Predictable का मतलब होता है जिस डिजास्टर को हम पहले से ही बता सकते हैं. तो predictable disaster फ्लड, साइक्लोन, सुनामी, लोकुस्ट हैजर्ड और एपिडेमिक. एपिडेमिक का मतलब होता है महामारी. अब लैंडस्लाइड, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. लैंडस्लाइड का मतलब क्या होता है? तो सडन फॉल ऑफ द मास ऑफ द अर्थ, रॉक्स एक्सेट्रा डाउन द माउंटेन इज नोन एज लैंडस्लाइड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. फॉर विच रीजन आर द डेजर्ट लोकुस्ट ऑल्सो नोन एज द वोरेसियस लोकुस्ट? तो द डेजर्ट लोकुस्ट आर नोन एज वोरेसियस लोकुस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ देयर हैबिट ऑफ ईटिंग टू देयर ओवन वेट. चैप्टर नंबर 17 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. व्हाट आर कॉल्ड सिविल मैटर्स? तो द कंप्लेंट फॉर द राइट टू हाउस, land or other property are called civil matters. Question number 2. Which court stand at the top of all the court of our country? The Supreme Court stand at the top of all the court of our country. Question number 3. Who is known as the district court? When a judge deals with civil cases, he is known as the district judge. Question number 4. What is the main objective of the Lok Adalat? So the main objective of the Lok Adalat is to bring speedy and amicable settlement between the two parties who have registered their complaint in court. Chapter number 18 का question number 1. In which spheres have the changes been taken place in the modern society? Answer है changes have been taken place in the economic, social, political and cultural spheres in the modern society. Question number 2. What should be done to ensure social justice? To ensure social justice, all people should have equal opportunity for their development without any discrimination on the basis of caste, sex, race, etc. Question number 3. Of which terms are the social inequality observed in our country? Answer, in our country, inequality in terms of education, employment, income, sex, caste, etc. is observed. Question number 4. Why is social development obstructed? So the social development is also obstructed by prevalence of conservation beliefs under the confluence of which people do not accept new ideas or changes. Chapter number 19 का question number 1. What are the basic needs? तो nutritious food, clothing, shelter, health, education, clean water, clean air, entertainment, etc. are basic human needs. Second number, what contribution have cooperative activities made in agriculture field? Answer है cooperative activities in the agricultural field have contributed significantly in improving the level of the agricultural and providing guidance. Question number 3. What has been the result of the various industrial schemes? Answer, as a result of various industrial schemes, industrial development of the country has increased rapidly, which has led to economic development of the society as well as to elevation of the standard. Question number 4. To which incidences does lack of health care lead? Answer है lack of health care lead to incident of death of children and pregnant women. तो यहाँ पे आपका पार्ट 6 ओवर होता है. अगर आप लोग को किसी क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन चाहिए तो आप हमें कमेंट कीजिए, हम आपको प्रोवाइड कर देंगे. तो मिलकर में जय हिंद, जय भारत.